Hey, what's up everybody? Back again with another video. Today I just got a new camera in the mail. I'm talking about the Polaroid GO. So this is the newest camera from Polaroid. It's like a mini version of their Polaroid cameras. Shoots a new type of film, which is their small Polaroid GO film. Goes into this tiny camera. It's basically their answer to the very popular like Fujifilm Instax cameras where they shoot the smaller instant film. This is Polaroid's version, and yeah, this is going to be a little overview of the camera, some test samples. Let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, let's unbox it. Alright, first let's open up the Polaroid GO. This is the Polaroid GO camera. This is a box. It's a pretty small little box. Let's get into it. Alright, so right off the bat, when you open it, you're greeted with the camera. There it is. First thing you see. Let's take it out. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Look how tiny it is. It's a baby Polaroid camera. Super little camera, super cute. There it is. And then, well, this is in the box here. Lanyard kind of thing. A little charging cable. Or a micro USB, which is kind of a bummer. Should be USB-C now. Come on guys, give us USB-C. What are we doing here? It's got some little stickers. This is definitely targeted at a fun audience. There you go, a little sticker book. Quick start guide. So let's unbox the film now. It is a small box of film. This is 16 photos in this box. Let's see how the cartridges look. Definitely very, very tiny for the film I'm used to. So I'm just gonna open it up. That's alright. 2 packs of film, 8 shots each. Oh man, it's so tiny. This is what the film looks like, the package. Nice. It's really, really cute. It's really small. That's first thing to talk about. It's just tiny. Cool. Let's see if there's any batteries in it. Let's see if it's charged. Okay, so alright. So the latch down here opens the film. The film latch right here. Whoa. You can actually see the mirror in here. So this is the power button over here. And you just press down on it. Boom. That's how you turn it on. I like the digital film counter. It's kind of cool. Alright, let's pop a film in here. Let's see what's up. Again, another pack of free stickers. They're really going for the stickers. Customization. And here's the film. Cartridge. It is, again, very, very small. Let's pop it in. Open up the latch. There's 3 arrows up here. Matches with the 3 arrows on their cartridge. Right there. Alright, put it in. Hopefully this is right. Turn it on. Alright, ejected the dark slide already. Just for size comparison, I just want to show you guys this guy. This is the One Step 2 from the Polaroid company, and yeah, it's pretty big. Look at how big this guy is compared to this. So tiny. That's an interesting size comparison right there. So definitely this is much more portable of a camera than their regular One Step 2, which is, you know, kind of designed after the original Polaroid One Step, and shoots, you know, the full Polaroid, you know, frames. That's why it's so big. This shoots something really, really tiny. I think it's meant to be more casual, more of a bring it to a party, bring it out casually without this. This guy is pretty big to put in a bag. This guy easily slips into a bag. Okay, I'm recording. I'm gonna shoot this guy out here. It's pretty easy. You can one-hand this pretty well. Don't need 2 hands to use it. Okay, first thing I want to talk about is a bit about the body, the design of this camera, and like how it handles. I just shot a few photos of it really quick just to see how it works and get a feel for it. Usually the first few frames, you know, like just getting a feel for it, how the viewfinder lines up to actually what you're shooting. First thing, let's talk about the design of the body. Again, very small. You can easily use this with one hand and not have a problem with it. Yeah, it's super nice and cute. It'll definitely catch the eyes of people. They'll wonder what it is. It looks really unique, but the design is very Polaroid. It's not Fuji Instax. One thing I noticed is like every time you turn it on, so the power button's back here, it'll automatically have the flash. That's like, the flash is going to be automatically on. So there's a button up here to turn off the flash. There's like a little dot next to the flash symbol. That means it's on. So if I press that, flash is off, dot's gone, dot's back if flash is, that means flash is on. I notice every time it defaults to having the flash on, so every time you turn on the camera, it's gonna fire the flash. But yeah, like nothing too much to talk about other than that. It's a very simple design. Nice, it's got a flash. This little, the viewfinder here has a reflective coating on it, so you can actually use it to take selfies, and it lines up pretty well for selfies. I think it's pretty good. But yeah, that's the design of this camera. Again, super small, very, very tiny. You can use it with one hand very easily, just like that. Pretty good compared to the old big boy, the One Step 2. This guy's a big boy compared to that. This one's definitely a two-hander kind of camera, and it's, you know, you're framing up shots like this when you're using this camera, which is like, all right, that's fine. But definitely, wow. For portability and like if you're gonna go take some casual shots with this camera, Polaroid GO, it's pretty good answer to the Fuji Instax. Look at the frames, look at these frames, they are tiny. They're super little tiny frames. Just maybe you're looking for something that's not the full size Polaroid. This is pretty good. Let me grab a Polaroid. Regular Polaroid frame right here. Look at that. It's like a quarter of the size almost. Very, very tiny. I need to do more shots to see if like the chemistry is kind of the same. But the developing time is definitely pretty slow. Or I just underexposed severely on this shot. The shot I photographed the plant and the flash went off, and maybe that was the reason why it's so dark. The exposure is messed up. Alright, so how does the Polaroid GO stack up with all the Fujifilm offerings for the Instax line? Well, it doesn't look really good in terms of the pricing. I think Fujifilm still is edging out Polaroid in terms of the value. In Canada, like Instax cameras range between like the very basic Instax minis, like 80 bucks Canadian, and then goes up to like 150 Canadian for like the square format version of it. Film wise, you're definitely getting more value with Fujifilm Instax. They work out to be $1 a frame, sometimes even less if you buy it in bulk. I think you can get a 50 frame pack for like $45 Canadian, so it's like a bit less than $1 per frame. Whereas this Polaroid GO, as of now, the camera is 100 USD. So camera is like pretty comparable, I guess, to the Fujifilm Instax cameras, depending on which one you like. And then the film though is 20 USD a pack, and then there's only 16 shots in a pack, so it's more than $1 a frame. And the size is actually a bit smaller than the Fujifilm Instax. So yeah, definitely on the film side of things, you're paying a lot more for this Polaroid GO film right here, Polaroid GO film. So like, I think that's something Polaroid needs to work on. I think if they want to compete with Fuji, they really gotta, you know, make the prices equal to Fujifilm Instax, because Fujifilm's already got like, I think they're already like leading the market in terms of their instant film pricing, and then the Instax is like, it's so popular, it's already such a huge market. I think in order for the Polaroid GO to make like a dent in the Fujifilm fan base, I don't know, they really I think they gotta cut the price down on it, especially with the smaller frames, and you're only getting 8 shots per pack. they really gotta step up the pricing there, make it more competitive with Fujifilm. To end up this video, final thoughts on this camera. Polaroid GO, really fun camera, really small, really cute. I don't know why they put a micro USB on here. Come on guys, put a USB-C on here, get with the times, especially, you know, everything's going USB-C. It would be really nice for them, since it's like a new camera release, to have like the newer USB-C in there for charging. So that's kind of annoying, gotta keep a micro USB cable around still. Overall, I think for me, I'll use this very casually until the price of the film goes down. Because I think that's the biggest thing with Polaroid film. It's just really expensive, and sometimes you're just gonna get shots like this where it just doesn't turn out. This is a dollar shot, more than $1 Canadian. So come on, we gotta get more competitive. Anyways, that's my thoughts and quick overview of the Polaroid GO camera. Yeah, let me know if you guys are a fan of the instant film. Let me know what you guys think about Polaroid GO's offering compared to Fujifilm. Yeah, if you liked the video, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, that would be awesome. Catch you in the next one.